The first rules regarding crypto assets have been determined in Turkish Capital Market Law. The amendments made to the Capital Markets Law, the regulations that entered into force, and the announcement of the Capital Markets Board, dated the 2nd of July 2024, determined the first steps and framework to be taken. We would like to inform you about the calendar and process included in the regulation and the announcement. Is a license required for crypto asset service provider activities? What is the notification deadline for operating CASPs? What information and documents should be submitted? What are the obligations of CASPs that decide to terminate their activities? Within the scope of the regulation, any environment where one or more of the activities of trading, exchange, transfer of crypto assets, and the custody service required by them, and the storage and management of crypto assets or private keys that provide the right to transfer from the wallet related to these assets are carried out as a regular occupation, commercial, or professional activity, are within the scope of this law, and yes, they are subject to licensing by the CMB. As of the 2nd of July, CASPs operating in Turkey must decide whether or not to continue their activities. CASPs that decide to continue or not to continue their activities must submit the information and documents specified by the CMB until the 2nd of August. Those who will not continue their activities are obliged to complete their liquidation processes within 3 months, inform their users through the methods determined by the CMB, not accept new users, and fulfill their transfer requests. CASPs operating outside of Turkey are required to terminate their activities for residents in Turkey until February 10, 2024. Please kindly note that in the event that CASPs open a place of business in Turkey, create a website in Turkish, engage in promotional and marketing activities directly and/or through persons or institutions resident in Turkey regarding the crypto asset services offered, the activities are deemed to be directed to residents in Turkey. The activities of ATMs and similar electronic transaction devices located in Turkey that allow customers to convert crypto assets into cash or cash into crypto assets and to transfer crypto assets must be terminated until February 10, 2024. We would like to underline that the notification to be made by CASPs to CMB by 02 August is not a license application. The details regarding the license requirements will be determined by the regulations to be issued by the CMB. If there is no change, secondary regulations are expected to enter into force until February 1, 2025. Decision by the authorized body of CASPs on the declaration to continue to operate as a crypto asset service provider. Information and documents related to CASPs' shareholders and members of the board of directors, general manager, and deputy general managers. CASPs, information systems, infrastructure, processes, and tools for the protection of customer assets, processes related to the processing of transactions into the blockchain system, integrations with other internal and external systems, operation and reporting processes, documents related to explanations on the functioning of risk management processes, explanations and documents related to the custody infrastructure of CASPs, organization chart of CASPs, CASPs financial status, shareholding structure of the legal entity partner, information on the company's directors, personnel, and managers, external service procurement, and supporting documents. You can access the details of the regulations in our article, or you may contact with us.